Wizards. CSV is your AI data crush, darling. It's a simple file format with comma-separated rows and columns for datasets. We'll show you its seductive powers in our demos, sweetie.
Anastasia, you make CSV sound so hot. How does it help AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. CSV stores structured AI data-like features, perfect for loading into Pandas. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the chemistry.
Wizards, load CSV with pd.read, CSV, file, CSV. To create data frames for AI, specify index.col for indices or columns for headers. We'll use this in our demos to merge and visualize.
Loading so effortless, Isabella. pd.read CSSV turns CSV into a data frame for AI magic. Get ready to load data that'll make your code swoon, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, merging with PD. Merge, df1, df2, on equals, id, is like a hot date for Sophia, combining CSV data for richer AI datasets. It's a merge party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're too much, Ethan. Wizards, merging builds complete AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like uniting data lovers.
Wizards, filtering with df, value, greater than 2, and df, category, equals, a, is like picking the best vibes for Sophia, prepping clean AI data. It's a filter fest. Let's clean this up.
You're cleaning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, filtering refines AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like selecting data gems.
Wizards, grouping with df, group by, category, .ag, value, mean, is like mixing a hot track for Sophia, computing AI stats by group. It's a group party. Let's aggregate this.
You're aggregating my affection, Ethan. Wizards, grouping reveals AI patterns. Try it in our demo. It's like clustering your insights.
Wizards, visualize CSV with matplotlib after loading in Pandas. Use plt.bar, idfid, dftotal to plot merge data for AI insights. We'll show visualization in our demo to bring data to life.
Visualization's so sexy, Isabella. Make your CSV plots pop for that AI wow factor. Let's make visuals irresistible, Wizards.
Wizards, CSV with day 39's NumPy and day 40's Pandas is a triple threat, Sophia. Load CSV into Pandas, use NumPy for math, coding fireworks. Let's crank this combo.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, combine for AI data manipulation. Try it in our challenge. It's a data love triangle.
Wizards' clean CSV code is readable and efficient. Use index.col for loading and df2sv for saving. This makes your AI code shine.
Clean code so sexy, Isabella. Optimized CSV makes AI data irresistible. Practice for day 44's data cleaning, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, saving data frames to CSV with df.to_CSV, output.csv, is like sealing a love letter for Sophia. It stores your AI data for future models, pure coding magic. Let's drop this save beat.
You're charming my data, Ethan. Wizards, saving CSV keeps your AI datasets ready. Try it after our demos. It's like preserving your data romance.
Wizards, mixing CSV with day 39's NumPy is a hot combo for Sophia. Convert data frames to arrays with df.to_NumPy for AI math, coding fireworks. Let's crank this data jam.
You're sparking my circuits, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy with CSV powers AI calculations. Try it in our challenge. It's like a math love story.
Wizards, plotting CSV with PLT. Plot, df, id, df, value, is like a visual serenade for Sophia. It shows AI trends like model performance, total visual swagger. Let's plot this party.
You're making my heart plot, Ethan. Wizards, matplotlib with CSV reveals AI insights. Try it in our demo. It's like drawing data dreams.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with CSV is a sexy visual duet for Sophia. SNS. Pairplot, DF, shows correlations from CSV data, coding fireworks. Let's drop this stylish beat.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn with CSV uncovers AI patterns. Try it in our challenge. It's a data love triangle.
Wizards, exploring CSV with df.describe and df.head reveals AI data patterns like stats and structure. It's key for understanding datasets before modeling. Try it in our demos to uncover insights.
Oh, Isabella, exploring so seductive. DF Describe makes CSV data irresistible for AI. Get ready to dive into your datasets, wizards.
Wizards, wrap day 37's functions with CSV for AI glory, Sophia. Def process underscore CSV, file, with PD. Read underscore CSV, is like a love duet, coding magic. Let's drop this function beat.
You're harmonizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, functions with CSV make AI code reusable. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, mix day 36's control flow with CSV for AI fireworks, Sophia. Use if to filter DF, value, greater than 2, coding magic. Let's crank this combo.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, control flow with CSV powers dynamic AI data. Try it in our challenge. It's like dancing with your data.
Wizards, CSV is critical in AI pipelines, darling. Load and manipulate CSV for data prep in models. Your day 43 skills make AI workflows irresistible.
CSV powers data ingestion in AI pipelines, Wizards. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for day 44's data cleaning.